Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. Today's video is actually going to be sponsored by Zeelool. And Zeelool is a place where you can go online or onto their mobile app to purchase glasses. So for me personally, I don't wear a prescription. I didn't think I needed glasses for a really long time. However, after working at home, constantly being glued to a computer, the people that have a work from home job or work behind a desk, you completely understand where I'm coming from with this. Your eyes will be in pain. You need protection from blue light. And that's something that I hadn't even realized. So I did go out and I bought a very inexpensive pair of blue light glasses. They worked for the time being, but goodness, if they fell apart. They were very lightweight, not really good quality, you know what I mean? But it did the job. But with me working from home more and more now, I'm like, I need to invest in some really good glasses. Lucky for me, Zeelool went ahead and reached out to me and they wanted to collaborate on a video for me to then bring to you guys, my viewers, my subscribers. So they also gave me a really great discount code for you guys to be able to utilize as well. And let's just go over some of the styles that they sent me today. So this is the box of goodies, an APD ruler, which is very helpful in case you need to measure the pupil distance, I believe is what PD stands for. Don't quote me. We have this slip here, and this is just all of my non-prescription glasses. They sent me over some little cloths so that I can clean off my glasses. I have enough for every pair, so I'm really excited about that, so I can put a cloth in like my little case. The thing is, like, I feel like the baggie that the glasses comes in is a really good quality, and you could just clean your glasses off with this, but they said, no, we're going to send you the cloth. So this is the first pair. This is going to be the first pair of glasses that I got. I love that sound. This is the first pair, and I'm just going to make sure I don't have any dust on my lenses. These feel really nice. I will say that. This is what they're looking like. And, oh, I like these a lot. These are so cute. So this is a pair that I wanted because I absolutely love that these are black frames. If you can see here, it has this cute little tortoiseshell detailing along the top. And then, of course, it has that really nice cat eye effect. But at the very peak of the cat eye, it has the gold detailing. If you don't know, clearly I am a huge fan of gold. I absolutely love that these are gold at the tip. I love that this part is gold. These are so cute. And of course, if you guys need to, you can always put your prescription in these as well. I just got these for blue light. And look, get into these glasses. Oh my God, these are so cute. I love that. So we have this pair here. I'm actually going to put these to the side because I'm going to wear these today. I have work to do. And I know I'm going to be behind my computer, so I'm like, let me go ahead and put those. So for my next pair, I have this clear pair here. Let's see what these are looking like. So as you can see, silver on the side, clear detailing, same cat eye shape. Oh, I feel like this is giving me a different vibe because it's not black. It makes me feel smart. Have like a front desk job for a forensic scientist or something like that. I don't know. These are super duper cute. I've always liked clear frames so much. And again, I really like the cat eye effect. For me, I have a round face. It's like a squoval, I guess you could, no. It's a square round kind of face. So to have a pair of glasses that, one, fits my head comfortably and it's not squeezing into my head. It fits my nose nice. The people with like flatter faces know exactly what I'm talking about. They're comfortable and I really love that. So this is the other pair. I really like these. They're so cute. And honestly, I find that online that I've seen with other brands and stuff like that were not cute. And I'm like, I want really cute glasses. I want cute blue light glasses. I want something that's comfortable on my face that I can wear and not get a headache from it squeezing on the side. I just hadn't found that yet. So I'm glad that I have these now. And then this pair right here, the red, come on. I love a pop of color. And then it also has a little design on the bottom. It's a blue tortoiseshell-ish kind of design. It almost reminds me of Beetlejuice because it's more so lines than tortoiseshell. And then it has this little rhinestone on the side, red in the front, and then the blue and brown details at the bottom. Again, this is another cat eye shape. So cute. Let's see. For the days I want that pop, I have the clear to match multiple outfits. I can wear that anytime. I have the black, just like a very clean, classic look. It has that cute tortoiseshell detailing along the top. And then I have this here, my little red for a pop of color. And it has like a little blue and brown down there. This is so cute. These are so clear. I love me a brand new pair of glasses. No scratches or anything. Very good quality, you guys. Like, very good quality. I want to show you guys my other pair I've been wearing. The lens is gone. It literally just fell and the lens popped out. I was not happy about that, but it is what it is. I'm glad I have these now. And then we have another pair. Now this one, I love that this one is nude. You gotta have a nude pair of glasses. You don't have to, but I would love to have a nude pair of glasses. So I'm glad that they sent this over, and I love that it's a different shape from the rest of the glasses that I have. I like to play around with different textures, patterns, and just switch it up. You guys see that? So cute. Let's go ahead and try these on. Again, we have that nudish tan color on the side, and that is also featured at the top of the frames as well. Everything else is more of like that jelly kind of color nude, and then there's no other details on here as far as chrome and stuff like that, so that's nice. I'm literally already envisioning looks for these glasses. These are so cute. And it's so different from the other pair, which I really like, so that I'm not constantly wearing just like cat eye styles. So this is a really nice switch up. It's still very calm. It's not doing too much, but these are really cute, you guys. These are so cute. I love this pair. I definitely love this pair. These are not as wide as the others, but it still fits my face perfectly. So they are not tight. They are not pinching the sides of my face. I feel like something needs to change in some sizing. And then this pair that I'm going to try on today. Again, in that nude family. This is an all over jelly pair of glasses though, so I really like that. And these are a bit more squared than cat eye. But if you look, you can still see that little peak of a cat eye at the very top, but just not as strong. These are super duper cute. And again, the fit of these is very similar to the last pair. Oh, I like this. I feel like it matches my skin so well. This is really cute. Oh, you guys are gonna see me in these glasses all the time. So just know when you see me in glasses, you know exactly where they came from, because what? And honestly, I can't get over the quality of these glasses. These are super duper cute. I cannot wait to use these to work in. I can't wait to take pictures in these. These are so cute. Oh my God. If you've been on the hunt for good glasses, if you wear prescription glasses, if you just know that you need something for reading, for blue light, use some of these. The really cool thing about Zeelool is that they have the mobile app as well as the website. On the mobile app, I actually have it here. When I was deciding what the glasses look like on me, and I have to show you guys the screenshot as well from when I tried it on the mobile app, because I wanted to see what the glasses would look like on my face. So I used their software that's embedded in the mobile app to try the glasses on, which was really helpful. And I'm like, I actually love this. Let me see if I can find it. Here it is right here. Look at that. I love this, you guys. These frames, so these frames right here, these are the ones. These are so cute. These are the same glasses I tried on in this picture here. I have to do a side by side because it literally, it's not catfishing you. Can y'all see? This is inside of the mobile app. And I was like, that looks like it's gonna be really cute. I want these glasses. There's always really good discounts. Of course, you guys know I have a really nice discount code to give to my subscribers, but what? They call it the AR try-on. The AR try-on is such a really cool tool that you see it for like foundation try-ons and stuff like that, but to see it with a brand for glasses, that just made me so happy. I look so dry in that picture.
I don't have any makeup, but this is me using that tool, and I thought it was so cool. So I picked that out, and then honestly, there's just so many cute pair. I was just screenshotting away. I'm like, oh my God, I love all of these, but this one for sure was my #1 pick. I definitely wanted something with red, so I chose that as well. And then this is the app here. So I'm opening that up. There's always tons of coupons, really good deals when it comes to the app as well. So I think that that's really cool. I love that they have that feature added. And there's something for everyone. There's a women's section, men, reading, kids, sunglasses, blue block by color and shape. So there's something for everyone. Be sure to go check them out. Let them know I sent you. And let me know what you guys wind up getting. Look at all the options. I'm loving this. So alrighty, so thanks again to Zeelool for sending me over these amazing glasses, as well as a discount code for all of my followers and subscribers. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below what you guys get. I'm gonna go ahead and hop back on that app so I can pick me up a few more pair, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.